Did you know that after updating to One UI 8.0, you can now resize split screen apps up to almost 90%? Now you have way more freedom to multitask exactly how you like. In previous version, the divider had limits, but in Android 16 with One UI 8.0, Samsung finally give us full control. You can make one app tiny while keeping the other large. It's perfect for bigger screen like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. As the example, let's use Note and Chrome to try this new feature. First, open Note app, tap the Recent button, tap the app icon, then select Open in split screen view. Next, choose your second app, in this case, select Chrome. Once both apps appear, drag the divider line in the middle. You will see both apps blur slightly and move smoothly as you drag. This feature gives you more flexibility. Now you can take note while browsing or compare information side by side. It's a small visual upgrade, but it really makes multitasking smoother in One UI 8.0. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.